Look at this! AI agents are taking over. Chatbots are old news. These agents are the future. AI chatbots or AI agents, the choice is yours. AI chatbots are great for quick answers. But AI agents can plan and execute complex tasks. So, what's your choice? The future is in your hands.
Imagine this. You tell an AI, book my flight, send an email to my boss, create a presentation, and summarize the meeting. And it actually does all of it, automatically, not just talking, working for you. That is the difference between AI chatbots and AI agents. And this technology will completely change jobs, businesses, and the internet itself. Today, I'll explain. What is an AI chatbot? What is an AI agent? Why AI agents are the future. Real-life examples already happening. Job opportunities in AI. And the biggest mistake people are making right now. Make sure you watch till the end, because people who understand AI agents early will dominate the future. And if you love AI and future tech, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. What is an AI chatbot? Let's start with something you already know. AI chatbots. Examples include ChatGPT, customer support bots, website help assistants. A chatbot's main job is conversation. You ask something. It replies with information. Simple. For example, you ask, explain black holes. The chatbot responds with an explanation. Or, write an email. It generates the email. Chatbots are powerful because they use natural language processing to understand human text and respond intelligently. But there is one big limitation. They mostly talk, but don't act. They give answers. They don't complete tasks. And this is where the next revolution begins. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is very different. Instead of just answering questions, it can take actions and complete tasks automatically. An AI agent can analyze goals, plan steps, use software tools, execute actions. For example, you tell an AI agent, find the best laptop under $5,000 and order it. The agent could search online, compare products, select the best option, place the order, all automatically. Experts describe AI agents as systems that perceive goals, reason about them, and execute actions using tools and software. In simple words, chatbot, talks AI agent, works chatbot versus AI agent. Let's simplify this with one example. Imagine you want to plan a trip. Chatbot. You ask, best places to visit in Japan. It gives suggestions, but you still need to book flights, book hotels, plan itinerary, AI agent. You say, plan my Japan trip in May under $2,000. The agent could find flights, book hotels, create itinerary, send tickets to your email. That is the difference. Chatbots provide information. AI agents deliver results. Real-life AI agent examples. AI agents are already starting to appear. Here are some real examples. 1. Personal productivity agents. Future assistants could schedule meetings, reply to emails, summarize documents. 2. Business automation agents. Companies are using AI to automate customer support, manage inventory, analyze sales data. 3. Coding agents, AI systems that write code, debug programs, deploy software. Some advanced systems can already run complex multi-step tasks automatically. This is why many experts believe AI agents will become the next digital workforce. Job opportunities in AI. Here's something important. AI will change jobs, but it will also create new ones. The biggest opportunities include AI prompt engineer people who design instructions for AI systems, AI automation specialist, build AI agents for businesses, AI product manager, create AI tools and platforms, AI data trainer, improve AI models with data, AI workflow designer design automation systems using AI agents. Companies are already hiring these roles. So instead of fearing AI, learn to work with it. Future of AI agents. The future is called Agentic AI. This means multiple AI agents working together. Imagine, one AI researches, one AI writes, One AI designs. One AI publishes content. All automatically. Your entire business could run with AI agents. But there are also challenges: safety risks, wrong decisions, data privacy issues. Experts say the technology is still evolving and may take years to reach full potential. But one thing is clear: the world is moving toward AI workers. Biggest mistake people make right now: most people use AI like this. Write a paragraph. But the future is not just AI tools. It is AI systems that work for you. People who learn, automation, AI agents, AI workflows will have a massive advantage. So remember this: chatbots talk, AI agents work, and this technology could completely reshape the digital world. If you learned something new today, like this video, comment AI agent, and subscribe for more AI and future technology content. Because the AI revolution is just getting started.
Hi, let's make social media more fun. Just tap like, share, and subscribe. I'm not a simple chatbot. I'm an AI agent. I can learn and adapt. Subscribe to see how. Thanks for watching. I want 3 AI agents: a like agent, a share agent, and a subscribe agent.
Processing request agents created.
Perfect. Welcome, like agent, share agent, and subscribe agent. Like age agent.
Like agent activated, I will get more likes. Share agent online, I will boost sharing. Subscribe agent ready, I will gain subscribers.
Wow, it's amazing! Hey guys, keep the support coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You grow, I grow. Let's grow together.